Okay, so this video is going to occur in kind of a couple of points. My goal is going to be able to get a mathematical function that can define the curvature of this extremely sway-backed horse's back. So I want to define a function that will go from about the root of its tail to the top of the hip, down to the middle of the back, and up to the withers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to gather data from the picture, and I'm going to use my computer to do this. I'm just using Preview on a Mac, but any image recording software, any image opening software that allows you to find a set of coordinates can be helpful. And I'm going to record these coordinates in my TI-84 as I go. So I've made a little star down here in the diagram as a reference point. I'm going to try and click in the middle of the star, and I'm going to stretch out to the root of the tail. And you'll see that it says 123, 386. So I'm going to enter those as my x and y coordinates of my first point. Then I'm going to go gather another point. And I can gather as many points as I like. So 170, 386. We'll go to the middle of the hip here. 222, 377. Trying to get a little bit more of that curve. So we'll go to that point. 240, 351. And I think what you can see what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and I'm going to just gather as many points as I want. And it doesn't really matter how closely spaced these points are or how far spaced they are either. I can go way up. I probably want to make sure that I have enough points near this curve that my function that I'm going to define later is going to cover it. So essentially I'm going to trace along the curve and record as many of these numbers as I can in my TI-84. So I'll hit pause on my video and go finish that.